So here we have a new streaming application, never seen before on my channel, giving you access to some fantastic content, movies, TV shows, and even live TV with a fully working program guide. Now, this application is absolutely free. It works great on your Fire TV devices, your Fire Sticks, as well as your Android TVs. Doesn't have any adverts, has a superb sports section. And when you see some of the content in here, I'm sure you'll definitely find something to watch. So please do take a moment to hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So with all of that being said, let's get started. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, the latest FireStick, Android and Android TV tips and tricks, then please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's a small click from you, but it makes a big difference to me. Thank you. So the application in question is called My Free Direct TV, and a big shout out to Cordcutters LI, where I saw this application being reviewed, and I will leave a link to his channel in the video description. Now, as you can see here, this is the ultimate way to watch the best sports, news, movies, all of your favorite content on your tablet, your phone, or your smart TV. And you can see they now offer more than 100 free channels that anybody can access without signing up for a premium subscription. Now, if you do choose to sign up, then of course you get access to even more channels, even more movies. But in my demonstration, I'm going to show you what you can get absolutely free. So let's open up the application. Now, the application has a superb, nice, clean layout. As soon as you start here, it goes to the channel list. You can see some very popular content playing, like this contractor. You can move around and you can now see some of the other content available. Here, for example, you can go down. You can now navigate to more content in this particular category. Let's keep going to the top. Let's say, for example, a quick test, I want to watch this thing here. Because it's live, it should take me directly into that broadcast. So let's click on that now. And you can see in less than a few seconds, no adverts, no pop-ups. We are straight into that content. And that really is a glorious high definition picture. That's working great. I can back out of that. Takes me back to the home screen. I can now navigate through more channels directly on the homepage. Let's scroll down a bit more. We can now see some of the other genres. You got festival, you got live TV, you got movies, newly added channels. Here, for example, we can see, just for a quick test, you got this festival. Let's click on that. Give that a second. And again, we are taken straight into that channel, just to show you that it's not just one channel, one episode, one movie, as this is an official licensed application. Everything in here, it's working straight away. And you really can go ahead and enjoy all of this content 100% legally and of course 100% free. Now, when you're inside a channel, you can press the right on the remote and this will then automatically navigate to the next channel in the list. And we can now see some other content playing here. That's working great. Let's go back. Here we can see we have the menu. You've got search, you got the homepage where we're at the moment, you got the guide, my library, you got the massive sports section, and then on demand. Let's go to the guide. So this is going to be your electronic program guide, where you can now see exactly what each channel is showing and what's coming up next. So you can see, guys, really fast. You can access all of the channels here. Here, for example, we've got World's Most Incredible Hotels. Let's click on that. Again, in a few seconds, the channel changes, no adverts, and we are directly in that channel, and that's working great. Let's get back out of that. Now, before we continue, let me just quickly share this QR code that if you are looking for a fantastic offer for a ridiculously fast VPN, stay safe online, change your IP address, access geo-locked content, protect your privacy, you definitely want to go ahead and scan this QR code for a superb discount. So you got your cooking channels, you got your entertainment channels, drama, comedy, movies, sports, Saturday Night Live, just all of your favorite kind of content you can see is in here. If I'm interested in sports channels, I can click on that. This will then filter out the content. Now show me all of the sports channels only. Here we can see the Abu Dhabi Grand Slam. Let's click on that. And we can now see some wrestling there. That's working great. Let's back out of that. Then you got the Sports Central. So this was something that really impressed me with this application, where they do seem to have a very, very large library. Sports talk, baseball, football. I guess that's the American football. You got Sports Grid. You got this one. You got college sports, motorsports, golf, combat sports, Players TV, Women's Sports Network, pro wrestling. You can see, guys, just a massive, massive library of great sports content. Here we got some baseball. Let's click on that. Give that a second and we are directly into that baseball stream. That's working flawlessly. So you can see, guys, just lots and lots of sports content, lots and lots of different categories, all of your favorite content. You can even add your favorite teams and then filters out the content based on your team. Let's go back to the left. Then you got on demand. So this is going to be your video on demand content. So you will see your typical movies, TV shows, all properly categorized that you can access from here. Let's start with movies first. So you got drama, you got comedy and romance, thriller, you got biography, documentary, action, comedy, horror. So underneath this, you got the upgrade to watch. So that's the stuff that if you want to pay extra for, you can watch, but everything above that is free. Here you got this Christmas trade. Let's try that. I can click on watch now. And we can see, guys, the VOD content is also working absolutely fine. I can forward that a bit. No pop-ups, no adverts. That's working great. Let's go back. Let's try TV shows. Now you can see some of the popular TV shows. Again, categorize food content, travel content. So overall, guys, I really am impressed with this new application, DirecTV. The fact that anybody can just create a free account, log in, access all of this content, no subscription needed. They've got a great lineup of live TV content, a big lineup of sports content, but also with the VOD movies and TV shows that anybody can access directly on their FireStick or Android TV. Now, to get this application on all of your devices, open up the Google Play Store or the Amazon App Store, go to search, and now type in the word direct. Here it is. You can see DirecTV. Let's click on that. And that's the application there. Now, if for whatever reason you can't see this application in your application store, your Play Store, or the Amazon App Store, I will save a copy of this application directly on my website. Just head over to TechDoctorUK.com, click on tutorials, and the latest tutorial in the list will be how you can get this application on all of your devices. Now, as you know, with all of these free official streaming applications, they do a check when you first start the application to make sure that you do have an IP address from the supported region. I'm based in the UK, but we can see on my device, I'm just using this. So any application I start now thinks I'm actually viewing it from Boston, USA. And when it sees the IP address, it unlocks all of that content and I can go ahead and enjoy all of that directly inside the application. And if you're looking for a great offer on this particular VPN, I'll use it on all of my devices, my Fire Sticks, Fire TVs, my phone, my Windows tablet, because the great thing is you buy just one account and you can now share it across all of your devices because they support unlimited connections. So it doesn't matter if you've got 3 laptops, 10 Fire Sticks, 2 Android TVs, all of them can be covered with a single account. You can then change your IP address, you can change your virtual location, unlock all of the different Netflix libraries, and really just get a great streaming experience. Right now, there's a super special offer just for the next 2 weeks where you can get total protection for all of your devices, all of your applications, your add-ons, your APKs, your streaming apps. All of them can be covered with the VPN, and they also give you unlimited connections. What that means is it doesn't matter if you've got 3 Fire Sticks, 10 Android TVs, 2 laptops, all of those devices, unlimited devices, will be covered with a single license. You get blazing fast speeds, so 0 buffering, and they also have a verified no logs policy. So they're not logging anything, they're not monitoring anything. You really can stay anonymous whilst using this VPN. You can access all of your favorite applications, your Netflixes, your BBC iPlayers, your Hulus. All of your streaming applications can be unlocked by using this VPN. And to get all of that for just over $2 a month, I do think this special offer is definitely worthwhile checking out. Using my link does help support the channel, so many thanks for doing that. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment if you want to take up this special offer. So really appreciate your support. Do like and share this video, and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.